everyone, this is Coach Mark and welcome to BCLC Online Guitar Lesson for Beginners. Our last video, we're talking about the chords, which is the D and the G. So for now, we're going to tackle about the notes and then some chords. So the first note that I'm going to discuss is the whole note. So whole note has 4 counts. So and the next is the half note. So half note has 2 counts. Again, the whole note has 4 counts. And the half note has 2 counts. And then let's play the notes with the chords of C. So this is the C, the new chord for today. So C, your third finger here in the 5th string, 3rd fret, your second finger in the 4th string, 2nd fret, and then your first finger in the 2nd string, 1st fret. So again, so your 3rd finger here, the 5th string, 3rd fret, your 2nd finger in the 4th string, 2nd fret, and then your first finger in the 2nd string, 1st fret. So and then we're going to use the whole note. So this is the example of the whole note. So here's the sum pattern of whole note. So whole note has 4 counts. So strum and then you count 4. So you need to prolong until 4. So again, remember, do not hit the 6th string because it sounds weird. So only 5 string in the C chord. So let's start. So here, the whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's very simple. So the next one is the half note. So half note has 2 counts. So this is the half note. So look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's very simple again. So don't forget, the whole note has 4 counts and then the half note has 2 counts. Again, let's do it again from the top. The whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next one is the half note. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you are first timer, so you can apply this one at home, or you can practice at home. So you start with a slowly pattern, and then don't be too fast. So remember that one, and then remember, don't hit the 6th string. So in the C, only 5 string. So that's all for now, and hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.